presenting to you, first time ever, the all-new Vivo T1 5G.
We call it a turbo performance, as we have the Snapdragon 695 processor with 6nm chipset. The T1 5G has a 50 megapixel high definition main camera.
With bank offer, the effective introductory prices are 4GB 128GB at Rs 14,990, 6GB 128GB at Rs 15,990 and 8GB 128GB at Rs 18,990.
Welcome to the Turbo Life.
Vivo.
Clicking and snapping.
Pictures in between. Is it really smart to capture in the dark?
Man, it might be late, but the clicks are great. Little dog, don't care, my mate. Gonna click many pics, not one row. Go get set up and turbo.
Flying and racing, kicking and scoring.
Chasing and busy protecting camps.
Stick to one thing. Why do everything?
Gotta level up all the time to get the gaming's my thing. It's now or never, so many to play, not one bro. Go get set up and turbo.
Project uploading
Or downloading games.
must be time consuming. Oh, what a shame.
It's blazing fast, surgy. The magic word is 5G.
5G must be pricey.
As a rocket.
Sir, it is easy on my pocket. Wanna do many things, not one bro. Go get set up and turbo.
Enter the turbo world with the all-new Vivo T2X 5G. Get set turbo.
Go get set turbo, turbo.
Vivo.